For making green coriander chutney with garlic, we have taken about 1 bunch of green coriander or cilantro. It is about 100 grams of cilantro or coriander leaves. Now wash this cilantro with cold water thoroughly and chop it while we are putting in the blender. We don't need to chop it finely, but chop it in big chunks. We have taken a little amount of mint leaves, half a lemon, about 8 cloves of garlic, green chili as per taste, and about 1/4 inch of ginger. Wash mint leaves before putting in the blender. So we have washed and chopped the coriander leaves and added them in a blender. Now add mint leaves which we have washed, ginger, garlic, chopped green chilies as per taste. Now add white salt, some black salt, about 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds, about 1/3 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Now squeeze the juice of half lemon. Now add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. The water will help in the grinding process. Now we can grind it in the grinder. Now blend the chutney in a blender. So now we have blended the chutney, and you can see it should be very smooth. So blend it nicely to make a smooth paste. So we have to make it to form a smooth and nice chutney like this. So now we can transfer this in a glass bowl. So we have served the green coriander chutney with garlic in a glass bowl, and it really tastes very delicious. You can enjoy it with kachori, samosa, chaat or any parathas, and it will really taste very delicious. Enjoy with your family and friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many such recipes, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.